AI is rapidly transforming the design industry, not by replacing UX designers, but by shifting the skills we need to stay relevant. In this video, we'll explore the key abilities that will help you stand out and succeed in the AI-powered future of UX design. Hello, I'm MJ. I'm a senior UX designer and advocate to use AI to enhance, not replace our design work. So if you're navigating through how AI is changing UX design, you're in the right place. Because today we'll go through 6 critical skills that will help you stay relevant as AI becomes a standard part of our design toolkit. So let's start with AI literacy. Understanding how AI tools work, from generative design to research synthesis, is quickly becoming a baseline skill for us. You do not need to become a machine learning engineer, but you do need to understand what these tools are capable of, where they fall short, and how to apply them thoughtfully. And all of this, of course, within your design process. Being able to collaborate with AI rather than being overwhelmed by it will give you a major advantage. Now, as AI takes on more tactical tasks, the strategic thinking becomes increasingly valuable. Designers are no longer just responsible for wireframes or UI flows. We're expected to align design work with business vision, business objectives, product goals, and user needs, which a lot of us are already doing actually. Our ability to connect the dots, define design direction, and connect and influence product decisions is what set a great designer apart. And that's something that AI cannot replicate. Now, design is ultimately about people, and emotional intelligence is central to that. Understanding users on an emotional level, reading between the lines in interviews, and navigating complex team dynamics are all essential parts of UX already. AI can analyze data, but it cannot empathize. Emotional intelligence ensures your work stays human-centered, even if the tools around you become more automated. Continuous learning is no longer optional. AI and design tools are evolving very quick, and staying current is key to staying competitive. That does not mean we need to follow every single trend. It means choosing to grow in areas that matter. So understanding new research methods, keeping up with interaction patterns, and testing emerging AI-powered workflows. So treat your career like an ongoing product, always iterating. Today's design teams are more diverse than ever, and cross-disciplinary collaboration is very essential. As AI becomes more integrated into product development, designers need to collaborate closely with engineers, data scientists, and even AI ethicists now. So successful designers will be the ones that can bridge that conversation between different functions, but still keep user needs at the center. Let's talk about creative vision now. AI can generate layouts, color palettes, even UX copy now, but it lacks the capacity for true creative direction. As designers, we bring originality, artistic intuition, and innovation to the table. Our ability to imagine what doesn't yet exist, to challenge patterns, and to design with emotion and meaning. That is where our value lies. AI can support creativity, but it cannot learn it. So to stay relevant in the age of AI, we need to focus on what makes us uniquely human: strategy, empathy, creativity, and adaptability. These 6 skills aren't future-proof and may not be the only ones, but they define what future-forward designers are right now. Let me know what you think, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to become a design powerhouse with the tools of the future. See you next time.